Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I want to show you my Green Again Blythe Holiday doll. I'm doing this collab with Tina at Tina's Reborns, and last fall, Tina and I always, and I think Tina does too, plan way ahead. And we had decided to do Christmas elves, one with green hair and one with red hair, probably in the summer for last year for Christmas. And we took green hair Blythe and we did Christmas elves, and I really liked them. They were both so cute. Well, then we both went to BlytheCon and we took our Christmas elves as our green-haired dolls. And we got to talking about it and said, you know what, we need to do another green-haired doll. So here we are, St. Patrick's Day, dressing a green-haired doll for St. Patrick's Days. Now mine has on a little green frog print. I love this print. About a year ago, Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Tammy Powley and I did a Princess and the Frog. And we had my husband and Beth's husband print us 3D frogs. That's where Fritz came from. And frogs have kind of been a thing in our house since then. And Fritz, in fact, got a monthly gig. We pull him out once a month. But let me show you my Megan. I didn't want to do too much St. Patrick's Day. And the reason is when we did all the Christmas on our dolls, we turned around and made them Statue of Liberty. In fact, they had elf ears that I had taken off. I gave Megan a nod to the Ireland flag. I gave her green brows. And then, I don't think I put anything on her eyelids. No, I just did a shiny, pretty, fleshy colored eyelid with paint. I love those green eyes. Love, love, love those green eyes. Rainbow because, you know, rainbow, Ireland, and St. Patrick's Day, and then the blue. I really like those. But I have her on these blue because they're different and they match her eyes. These are little shoes that Darren prints. These are glow in the dark, which goes well with the frog theme. And I fixed her hair a little bit. But my favorite part, going along with St. Patrick's Day and frogs, are the earrings I found for her. Kiss me. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Kiss me, I'll turn into a prince. So this is my little green hair again, Irish dressed, or St. Patrick's Day dressed, little Blythe doll. She does, I want to show you too, she does have a neck joint in that I'm lucky. I just hand the bodies to Darren, and while I'm doing face-ups, magically the neck joints appear and they're just ready to go. And then we have this mob over here. I need more bikes. Actually, I have more bikes. I have to dig them out. Megan also has this St. Patrick's Day stand that Darren prints. I absolutely love these. I love the holidays. One of my favorites, always has been a favorite of mine, is St. Patrick's Day. My parents always had a big, we always had a big dinner and people over and just a really good time. And I think a lot of that is, we live in Missouri, and that's when things really start happening for spring and everybody's happy and it's just fun. Thank you for watching and I do want to mention, I also have a granddaughter born on St. Patrick's Day. Happy birthday, Zoe. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.